Hello student, we will continue our fourth chapter, linear equations in two variable, exercise 4.3 plus we do example 3 and 4 of exercise 4.2 also in this video. Today's topic, graph of linear equation in two variables. Sum number 1, draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variable. Total number of part here 4. See part first. X plus y equals to 4. First, express any of one variable in the term of another variable. How? I am going to express x in the term of y. For it, take y to the right hand side. x is equals to 4 minus y. आप y को भी x की टर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. Now put the value of y. Put y equals to 0, we get x. 4 minus 0, x is 4. First solution is y comma 0. Try to put these types of solution कि आपके पास एक x एक्सिस पर पॉइंट आ जाए और एक y एक्सिस पर पॉइंट आ जाए. ऐसा करने से ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना इजी रहता है. y0 मीन्स टू से x एक्सिस पे आ जाएगा. नाउ पुट y इज इक्वल्स टू 4. इफ आई एम पुटिंग हियर y इक्वल्स टू 4 देन x कम्स 0. x 0, y 4. द पॉइंट कम्स ऑन y एक्सिस. And we know that from the 2 point one line can pass. एक लाइन पास होती है. But for our safe side, we will find its third point also. Let put y is equals to 1 in equation number 1. X is equals to 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 makes 3. Make a box like this. x y. आपने y को 0 पुट किया, x 4 आ गया. आपने x को y को 4 पुट किया, x 0. y को 1 पुट किया, x is 3. We know that from these 2 points 4,0, 0,4 we can get a line. हमें लाइन मिल सकती है. बट हम थर्ड पॉइंट निकालते हैं अपनी सेफ साइड के लिए. आपने ट्राई करना है कि आपको एक बार y0 मिल जाए और एक बार आपको x0 मिल जाए, बट जरूरी नहीं है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्लॉट द ग्राफ. सी, ग्राफ इज ऑन योर स्क्रीन. We mark here as x-axis and y-axis, which we have already learned in chapter 3rd, coordinate geometry. X-axis, see, y-axis, where these two lines meet, the point is origin denoted by 0. x, y, मार्किंग ग्राफ पे आपको इजीली पॉइंट मिल जाते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 on the y axis. 1 2 3 4 5. Now plotting 4,0. x4 y0 on x axis. 4,0. x0 y4 on the y axis. x3 y1. Simple dot and solving, and after that we will join these dots. Now join. When we join these dots, it always shows a single straight line. अगर सिंगल स्ट्रेट लाइन शो नहीं करता है तो क्वेश्चन में कहीं ना कहीं मिस्टेक है. इट कंफर्म, या तो पॉइंट निकालने में या फिर पॉइंट्स को प्लॉट करने में. दैट इज योर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी कम्स टू नेक्स्ट पार्ट second. Part second is x minus y equals to 2. See? Now I am going to express it in the term of y. X same, 2 same, minus y comes to right hand side, becomes of plus. By putting the value of y, we get x. By putting the value of y, we get x. Put y equals to 0. X is equals to 2 plus 0 makes 2. Put y is equals to 1. X is equals to 2 plus 1 makes 3. मैंने कहा आपको, आप कोशिश कीजिए कि एक बार x एक्सिस पर पॉइंट आ जाए और एक बार y एक्सिस पर पॉइंट आ जाए. Here y 0, then point comes to x एक्सिस. अगर मैं y को -2 पुट कर दूं, 2 - 2 मेक्स 0, तो मेरे पास पॉइंट किस पर आ जाएगा? x एक्सिस पर. अभी आप स्टूडेंट, आपको ध्यान शायद ना भी रहे तो आप कुछ भी वैल्यू पुट करें, बट इट शुड बी करेक्ट. Put y is equals to 2, then x comes 2 plus 2 makes 4. Box. Minimum 3 solution. y0, x2, y1, x3, y2, x, 4. Now on the Cartesian plane, on the graph, see graph, draw x-axis as horizontal line, draw y-axis as vertical line, marking, do work neatly and concentrately always. Math is very easy. Only important thing is that you will do it concentrately. Marking, x2 y0, here 2, 0, x3 y1, x4 y2. Now join these dots. It shows a single straight line. Use arrow. Write down the line name, x minus y equals to 2. That is your correct answer. Next one is part third. In part third, statement is y is equals to 3x. See, it is already expressed in the term of x. By putting the value of x, we get y. By putting the value of x, we get y. X 0. Y is equals to 3 into 0 makes 0. First solution is 0, 0. Put x equals to 1. 3 into 1, y is 3. Put x equals to 2, y 6. Make a box. x0 y0, origin, x1 y3, x2 y6. Graph. X-axis, then y-axis x, y, origin, gap, proper one big unit, or you can plot it on the simple page also by taking a gap of 1 centimeter. But important thing is that you have to do it neatly. Marking x0 y0 dot encircle 0, 0, x1 y3 x2 y6. Now join these dots. You got a single straight line. See, use arrow because line never ends. Write its statement y is equals to 3x is your required answer. Okay guys, it's clear. Now we comes to next and last fourth part, which is 3 is equals to 2x plus y. Now I am going to express y in the term of x. See, y right hand side, 2x को आप left hand side में लेके जाएंगे, becomes of minus. Now interchange, y is equals to 3 minus 2x. By putting the value of x, we get a y. By putting the value of x, we get a y. Yes. Put x equals to 0. Then y. Simple solving. 3. Put x equals to 1. Y. 1. Put x is equals to 2. Then y minus 1. Make a box. Write down here values. When x is 0, y3. When x1, y1. When x2, y minus 1. Plotting. X-axis, y-axis, arrow, x, y, minus x, minus y, gap, like this. Take here also, because of y is equals to minus 1, we have to plot. Marking. Also minus 1 here. x0, y3 dot encircle. x1, y1 dot encircle. x2, y minus 1. 2 comma minus 1. Join. Line is 3 is equals to 2x plus y is your required graph. Okay student. Now next the remaining examples of exercise 4.2. Statement is on your screen. Find 4 different solutions of the equation. Same process we will do. Express x in the term of y here. by putting the value of y, we get x. See, x is equals to y को आपने 0 पुट करना है. 6 minus 2 into 0, 6 minus 0, x is 6. Put y is equals to 1. 6 minus 2 into 1, 6 minus 2 makes 4. Put y equals to 2. Put y equals to 3. 2 3 are 6. 6 minus 6 makes 0. Write down first solution, that is 6, 0. Second solution 4, 1. Third solution 2, 2. And fourth solution 0, 3. Last example number 4. Find two solutions for each of the following equations. Only two solutions we have to find. I am taking here third part. 3y plus 4 equals to 0. Here x is not given. We put 0 with it. Now express y in the term of x. 4 goes to right hand side, becomes of minus. 0 into x of minus. Separate y. Put the value of x by putting the value of x, we get y. आपने x को 1 पुट किया, then y is minus 4 by 3. 0 into 1 0, minus 4 minus 0 becomes minus 4, minus 4 by 3. Put x is equals to 2. 0 into 2 0, 0 by minus 4 by 3 makes minus 4 by 3. Hence the two solutions are, you can write it in the box also. When x is 1, y is minus 4 by 3. When x is 2, y is also minus 4 by 3. These two parts you have to try yourself and give me comment in comment box. Thank you student. Have a nice day.